I leave the work for people when need them. Me hungry, not go kill them. That's my problem with Davido. Davido no need to sing. If Papa get money, he go to sing like say without the music, his family go hungry. Every day new single, every day new single. Are you Olamide? What's the problem?
Oh, this Davido they come here again. Ben tweet about you. Now me know why in they tweet those tweets.
Why?
Nobody know. Now me know. You know say Ben Bruce not they hide talking mouth.
And I like.
And politicians not like truth like that. So he don't raise his hand tire for senator. They know they call him. Don't raise tire. Once he raise that's oh yeah. Yeah. He just show everybody age here. He get the kind songs where he play. Or way back, some people just jump. You know, say that the song they say lose their virginity. That's my child. There's so many chairmen in the building.
Chairman do. Oga Femo, too much. Your money long.
Femi Otedola. Yes, sir.
Femi money long. Money long.
Femi put in ATM card inside machine, check balance. Machine reply, unable to calculate. You want to?
Even the smoke machine agree with you. We agree. I know, Femi. Femi, you will live long, oh. You live long. Maybe like 95. Are you okay with 95?
You want more? Femi, if you buy age. You buy age.
Say how much? Just give me 4 more years.
See Idris.
Idris money long, oh.
No. When you money that is long, you see people like Femi.
No, long. But this one, when I say long, now different type of length.
If people like Femi, when they are asleep, they make money. If Idris sleep, they stop.
No,
they stop.
No, stop. You get what Idris want to now? You go, no. Me ain't the discuss.
My brother, you don't broke before call Idris. Idris, they no call will be.
Person want beg for money. No, in phone they know. Actually, I don't hear that thing about Idris before. If you want beg for money, I see see your number. The phone battery will your book come on by itself.
See and to beg Idris very hard. Come in and maybe Idris you won't beg me. You know the way you go pick call, but you never answer the call. You they talk for background. Call me now.
I don't understand what you just talk.
Just call me. I go pick him. This Davido they come here again. Ben tweet about you. Why will a comedian wear an outfit made from newspaper? Hashtag common sense.
You don't start again. This is my newspaper shirt. You don't start again. I don't want you. No,
now me know why in they tweet those tweets.
Why?
Nobody know. Now me know. You know say Ben Bruce not they hide talking mouth.
And I like.
And politicians not like truth like that. So he don't raise his hand tire for senator. They know they call him. Don't raise tire. Once he raise that's oh yeah.
Women bad. And me personally, because my wife they mark me 24/7. If I do this one, they mark me. If I do one day I know say they suspect say she know my password. Now I just look and say, man, they might change this password. As I change them, nothing, she don't talk anything. Morning, she just a squeeze face, they walk out for the whole house. I say, baby, what's wrong? Say, man, I just don't like the way things are changing in this house. I just don't understand why things are just changing. And after I come to this woman, this telecommunication people, they don't bring different password. Before now, normal password. 4 digit. Then they can't bring I own the optic one, then face, then fingerprint, then swiping. But all those ones they fake at you. The one where they need to bring, and the one will be say you go lick the screen. That one nobody, even nobody go. Even your wife don't use your phone. Say, baby, can I use your phone? No problem.
See DJ Kupi, I've been a copy. Or Tedola na your papa. You they do DJ, they hustle. I don't understand. I don't understand that. If Otedola na my distant relative, I not go work for my life. Early morning I go take Okada go again, go dey cry. Listen me now. I know you want to go suffer. The daughter just dey carry DJ set. She did backstage and people don't know whether an artist, I been a DJ, I been a celebrity, I been a governor daughter. She carry enter at all of them are Igbo people. And a DJ don't need backup. I don't know why she carry crew. If Papa dey now Papa dey pay for her to go perform. You want pay Papa? You want insult her with your 200,000? Are you mad? Hello, we need your daughter to perform. The budget is 50,000. Where are you right now? At the office. Mopo is coming to arrest you. You're an idiot. Who not leave the work for people when need them? Me hungry, not go kill them. That's my problem with Davido. Davido no need to sing. If Papa get money, he go to sing like say without the music, his family go hungry. Every day new single, every day new single. Are you Olamide? What's the problem?
You know, say, some men, they change conversation when babe call them. Sit down, if they happen to you, where ma use you be the guy. You know, say, get the way babe go call you, give you news, will shock you. You don't go fit talk. You call the through the conversation anyhow because you sit down for parlor now, you they watch film with
my wife, yeah.
So now maybe your babe, assuming.
No, trust me, my imagination will run that wild.
Hey.
Hello.
Baby.
Yeah, how now?
When did you start speaking pidgin to me? Don't you know what you call me? Baby.
So how is everything?
Well, I have news for you.
Okay.
And I want to give it to you in person.
How do you mean?
Come around now. Let's see now.
So what's going on now? What's up?
Hello? Is it not you I'm talking to? Where are you taking this conversation to?
So what's up? What's up?
Anyway, if you must know, I just want to let you know I'm pregnant.
You say what?
Pregnant. P-R-E-G to the nant. And guess what? That's not all. I'm so excited. It's not one. It's not two. It's triplets.
Those 3 clients that we are talking about now. So we can't have meetings with them now.
You've already given them pets.
We have to cancel that. We have to cancel the sponsorship. We can't work.
Cancel.
Yeah, let's cancel. Let's terminate the appointment, please.
Terminate. Are you talking abortion?
Look, we have to cancel the appointment for the 3 clients. We can't meet with them.
Baby, just stop it. I have never had an abortion in my life. I've never been with another man in my life.
Okay. So what are you saying now?
We are keeping it. And we're starting a family. You're the only man I have known all my life. You're the first man that touched me.
You cannot tell me that. You cannot tell me that because when I came to that, the door was wide open.
What do you mean?
Look, the door to the meeting room was wide open. So I was not the first person to step into that office.
Is that how you want to play it? And you're talking to me in codes, right? You know what? I need you to come around now because we are having this baby and we are starting a family.
Okay, know what? Where are you now?
I'm in my house.
Okay, no, well, let's just meet and we'll talk about this contract, eh?
Baby, this is not a contract. Can you stop talking like we're in a meeting?
Okay, then bye. We'll talk later, eh?
Baby, your wife go come now. Come say, baby, what were you talking about?
No, it's one stupid client of mine. I don't understand. We were supposed to have a meeting. The next thing they canceled. Then they said they were supposed to sponsor the show. Then the next thing they now said they're not sponsoring the show. This is the problem I have with all these Nigerians. Working with them is a problem. I know what? I'm going to meet that guy now and I'm going to mess this up.
Please go. It's sponsorship. It's sponsorship. Go.